This fabric can stop fire, resist chemicals, and even save lives.
And it's all made inside factories like this.
Today, we're going inside the world of technical textile manufacturing.
It all begins with advanced fibers, not your regular cotton.
These fibers are engineered for strength, heat resistance, and durability. First step, opening and cleaning raw fibers. Different fibers are blended to create specific properties. Carding aligns fibers into a smooth, uniform sheet.
Then they're stretched and straightened for consistency. Now, spinning turns fibers into yarn. Twisting gives the yarn its strength. And it's carefully wound for the next stage. Next, fabric formation using high-speed weaving.
Or knitting for flexibility and stretch.
But here's where it gets interesting. Some fabrics aren't woven at all.
They're bonded mechanically using needle punching. Or fused together using heat. Now comes the secret sauce, chemical treatments.
Coatings can make fabrics waterproof, fireproof, or chemical resistant.
Multiple layers are combined for extreme performance.
Color is added without affecting performance.
Finishing enhances texture and durability.
Every inch is inspected using advanced sensors.
These fabrics are tested to their limits.
Can it resist water? Let's find out.
Or survive extreme heat. Once approved, it's cut into exact shapes
and assembled into final products. Automation keeps everything fast and efficient. Finished materials are packed and labeled.
Then these packages are loaded in loading trucks.
then shipped across industries. Application of technical textiles.
Used in construction to stabilize roads. In healthcare to save lives.
In extreme environments for protection. And now, smart textiles are changing everything.
This industry is powered by innovation.
From raw fiber to life-saving fabric, this is engineering at its finest. Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes tech.